What's up, everybody? Welcome home. This is going to be home for the next 3 months, boys. We got a massive job: pool, hot tub, turf, waterfalls, putting greens, kitchen, turf, Tim, Dom. It's going to be fun.
Oh yeah.
We're greasing machines. We're marking out the pool. Let's go. All right, so here's our design. Not sure how that shows up on camera, but we've got a lot going on here. This is our biggest job we've ever done, and we've been working on this for about a year to get it rolling. And we're pretty excited about it. You excited about it, Tim? Tim excited about it. Dom, you excited about it? Dom excited about it. We're all excited. We got about 3,000 square feet of slabs. We're using the 2.5 by 2.5 foot traversing raw by Techo Block. Big, massive slabs on a diamond pattern. We've got a pool. We've got a hot tub. We've got a sunken patio with a fire pit. It's going to pump out 800,000 BTU. 15-foot long patio. Sorry, 15-foot long fire pit. We got a nice big putting green, biggest one we've ever done. Turf for the kids for the playground. Koi pond, waterfall, water features, boulders. We got 2 large kitchens. Am I missing anything else? Lights, chipping green. We got a lot of cool stuff. Pergola TV, lights. We're excited. All right, right now we are on day 1 of our pool project. Very good, Tim. And we are marking out for our pool. As you can see, the white paint. That is our 40 by 15.5 foot pool. Now we're just measuring out 4 feet, so we can 4 feet from each corner. That way we can have this space marked out. Whenever our pool drops, we'll run a string from this one to that one to that one. And that way we know exactly where our pool is going to go. So we'll get these staked in and start digging out for our pool. Tip! All right, Tim, so this is going to be our excavation here for our sunken patio. We've got about half of it dug. So far, we've made some really nice drawings, which I can show you later. It's really pretty. But anyways, we figured out what our exact dimensions are, our exact depth to dig this at. And this is going to be a really tricky one, Tim, as you can see on this drawing. But we've got everything drawn out. We've got dimensions, height, grade points. So it should be pretty good to go. We're about halfway dug out. Going to be really, really cool. So we've got a little drawing here. We've got the design. We're kind of basing it off. We've got our dig sheet for our pool. Dug this pool out yesterday. Now we're going to work on our sunken patio area. And I think it's going to be really nice. We're going to go 5 steps down from the patio height into a sunken area. We're going to build benches out of block and pavers. We've got a 15-foot long fire pit, 720,000 BTU. It's going to be insanely hot. It's going to be nice. It's going to be a cool space. We're going to sink it down. I think we're going to be like 6 inches below the top of the pool. It's going to be pretty sunken there, pretty good. So, got some rain coming, as you can see. We've got thunder. We got an enclosed cab. Tim's got a rain jacket. Let's keep digging, baby. Let's go.
Digging the trench for the gas line, for the grills on the outdoor kitchen, and on the patio for the gas fireplace.
Alright, so you always want to practice safety first on fiberglass. This stuff is deadly to breathe in. Can you hear me okay? Am I a little muffled? So we'll get our mask on. We're going to be cutting this fiberglass. Tim's going to do the cut and I'm going to have the vacuum. We're going to try to suck that straight up. Doesn't get the pool messy. And
keeps our lungs clean too.
Yeah. Clean lungs. Alright, let's put these holes in.
So just dug our trench here for our drains that will run underneath the sunken patio where the fire pit is going to go. Then we have to fabric it, and we'll put a rock down, put the drainage pipe in it, and then we'll enclose it kind of like a burrito. But what this does is keeps the dirt from getting into the pipe and clogging it, because it's got little cuts all along it to let it drain along the way. So.
Alright, so it's day 2, day 3, I don't know, on dig day. We've got a lot of dirt work, a lot of prep work. As you can see, we've got our sunken patio over here. And we're gonna go 5 steps down off of patio height. And it's going to be a hole in the ground pretty much. We need to figure out a way to run our water in case we have a lot of water come down. We need to shed that away from our patio space. So we've got a couple drains. We're going to run underneath the patio. 1, 2. The pavers are going to be permeable as well, so water will sink down, go into those drains. We've got them daylight about 150 feet out, all sloped downhill, come up, water's gonna go that way. We're gonna bury those here shortly. We've got some 3/4 inch limestone coming, wrap some fabric like a burrito, put the dirt on top, and dig a hole, fill a hole. All right, that's a wrap on pool prep, all the dig outs. We got all utilities ran, the pool's dug out. Pool flies in on Tuesday morning, got a new guy starting Monday. It gets worse before it gets better, so we haven't had a lot of visual things that are impressive, but wait till next week. Tim, let's go. See you next week.